Okay, so here we have a Zodiac shear descent. Don't have much information off the box, so we will open it and see what it says, what it is. There is another part number here on the box, 1602 GBF 2-foot EXT light gray, it says. Okay, so here we have it out of the box. We see that it's brand new. Still has a protection cap on the bottom. Still has the grouting piece there, so you leave that in place until you have the concrete around the waterfall finished, and peel that out, which then exposes the waterfall inside. There are some gaps, some spacers in there, and there is a spacer removal tool here. As per in the instructions, sometimes you need to remove one, and it will tell you how to do it in there. There's the installation guide. Sorry, there's the installation guide. So it is a shear descent. So here we go. The waterfall is 2 feet wide. 9 inches. Sorry, no. Just about 8.5 inches. A little bit more than 8.5 inches. And I don't really know if that height matters, but maybe 3.5 inches there. So the item is for sale. It's in brand new condition. Thanks for watching. So the plumbing connections here on the bottom, it's 1.5 inches in. That's where the water is going to come out. So this will sit like that with stone around it, brick or stone, and just kind of fills the place of a mortar line.